When I say they sent me a whole box of cheese, no cap. Smell like some cream cheese. Out of all of these so far, I think the garlic and herb is my favorite. A cheese company that I really love, and I'm always supporting them, always buying their cheese at Whole Foods. They sent me a box of cheese, y'all. When I say they sent me a whole box of cheese, no cap. Let me get my other camera so that I can film this. So this is what the box looks like. They sent me, this is 4 packs of cheese and another 4 packs, and yeah, just some ice packs down here. So yeah, it looks like you can definitely order online. Oh yeah, and they sent me a little note. We're about to open this, but yeah, definitely order online. Came nice and cool, all that good stuff. Okay, let me go get my little box of crackers. So y'all know, had to get some crackers for this, because how else are we gonna try out the things? So let me read this little card. Thank you, hope you enjoy some of our other cheeses too. Yes, you can freeze them. If this is too many, the flavor will not be affected, but the texture might change slightly, FYI. Thank you. It looks like, you know, they're obviously using fresh ingredients and stuff, so I'm definitely gonna freeze some of this because this is a lot of cheese. Let's get into it. Some of the Simple Mills almond flour, fine ground sea salt. These are some of my favorite crackers. They're gluten-free, they're clean and all that good stuff. So which one do I want to try first? Because it's so many, like, let me stop. Okay, I didn't think they was gonna send me this much cheese. Okay, let's try the plain cream cheese first. Smell like some cream cheese. Like, I'm really not that picky of an eater. Like, I hate picky eaters who can't just taste. This is good. It tastes just like the this is what I usually buy from Whole Foods. So that plain cream cheese tastes like this, but like less flavor. I'm gonna do a little something with that cream cheese though. Next is the garlic and basil goat style. I'm really excited to try this because goat, like a vegan goat cheese, like, I don't think I ever really had no goat cheese like that when I wasn't vegan. Made from fine cashew nuts, period, without using any goats, of course. It's rich, very rich. Love this. It's very like smooth and like rich. This is the original. Tastes very similar to the garlic and basil. Overall, if you haven't tried cashew cheese, cashews are very creamy nuts. I'm really excited about this blueberry one because anything sweet, salty, I love it. I'm here for it. But they definitely have a good handle on the different styles, because I would never imagine like a goat style cheese, but that is giving rich. Like, that is a very rich cheese. This is the blueberry one. I don't know how I feel about this. Maybe it's because I have so much cheese flavor in my mouth, but this tastes the most like vegan cheese. I don't know if you guys have ever tried the Kite Hill vegan cheese. This tastes like that. This has like an almond flavor that I'm not really messing with, but it really might just be too many flavors in my mouth with this blueberry. I probably should try this first because this is like the sweet. I can taste the sugar in this. But the ingredients are super like simple. Cashews, dried blueberries, cane sugar. They obviously got to put a little something in there. Sunflower oil, sea salt, natural flavor, cultured brown rice, live cultures. And then for the original, there's just cashew nuts, water, sea salt, natural flavor, cultured brown rice, lactic acid, live culture. So it's like pretty simple for vegan cheese. If you've ever shopped for vegan cheeses, you know it can get a little crazy out there. I mean, the list of ingredients be long. This is kind of as simple as it gets. So this is why I just love their cheese. The second bag, bloomy rind, soft ripened cashew cheese. Okay, so this, I'm so impressed. Like, this is given, like I have to cut it. Is this the damn cheese? To this one, because I don't know. This one might have melted. The creamy scallion. I think this is the one that I used in my grilled cheese video. I think this is the one that I use. This one always hit, always. But real quick, I wanted to talk about why I don't eat cheese. I don't know if y'all are new to my channel, whatever the case is. I know some of y'all are new here, some of y'all not. Damn. Like I said, I tried this one before. So the ingredients on this: cashew nuts, filtered water, sea salt, cultured brown rice, onion powder, dried scallions, lemon juice, and live cultures. But yeah, the reason I don't eat cheese, I dealt with some crazy acne growing up, like abnormal. Something was obviously wrong. So I was like forced into making some type of change. Like once I got of age and I was realizing that like these skin washes is not working for me, like my acne is just horrible. I was like on the internet and I was scrolling and I was coming across content, like vegan content, and hearing other people's stories about how giving up dairy, eating more probiotics, and cleaning up their diet, eating more greens, drinking more water, like basically how acne is an inside job. And it's true. Okay, y'all, my skin used to be crazy. I have on makeup right now, but my skin used to be crazy. Like I couldn't even wear makeup and hide acne because it was just so many breakouts on my face. So I'm really grateful that I gave up cheese and all that stuff, because I wouldn't be able to like sit here on camera and even have the confidence to do this if I didn't have like some type of progress with my acne, because it was just ruining my confidence. It was ruining everything for me. Like I hated how my skin looked. So this is the garlic and herb. Fire. The garlic, I think I like this one better than the scallion. I be getting the scallion one more than I get the garlic and herb, but out of all these so far, I think the garlic and herb is my favorite. But I really, really like the garlic and basil too. I love me some garlic. They all taste amazing to me though. Like I said, I'm not like a crazy picky eater, but these are some really good tasting cheeses. Like they taste good. Like I really have no desire to go back to cheese or to go back to, I know a lot of people, it's hard for them to give up cheese, but you gotta get some like quality vegan cheeses, like up your vegan cheese game. But when it comes to creamy cheese and like the more creamy, delicate stuff, I love this brand. You can eat this with crackers. I'm gonna make some pasta and like melt it down into my pasta. You can put this on like bread. This is a really good like weight loss option for people who are trying to eliminate dairy, because we know dairy is like such high sodium, high fat. This is the Chipotle Serrano. I would say from the box, this is the one I'm most excited about. I think I might eat this one tonight. My boyfriend always judged me because he'd be like, how you could eat all this cheese? It's like, cheese is just so good. Like, it was just breaking me out so bad. I had to give it up. So I really value like quality vegan cheeses when I find one. I do taste that pepper. And I'm sensitive to spice. This is good though. This is good. Definitely spicy. But this is like the perfect amount of spice. They did their big one. I can say the Chipotle Serrano pepper flavor. This is the most different of all the flavors I just tried. Now this one, I feel like it's melted. I just broke it in half. I think this is like a sliced cheese. This might be a little too cultured for me. But it says that it's made in Spain. This tastes real different. This is cashew, water, sea salt, agave syrup, and cultures. I don't know, y'all. I'm about to tear up this Chipotle Serrano. It's spicy, but it's giving what it needs to be given. And I'm gonna kind of save the other ones for more content on Instagram. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm about to finish me some cheese and crackers, brush my teeth, get a shower, call it a night. It's like the perfect little late night snack. And yeah, I totally recommend that you guys try out this cheese, even if you're not vegan, even if you just want to do dairy free, and you know, maybe your guilty pleasure is a cream cheese bagel in the morning. Try out some of this cream cheese. I feel like any one of these could be replaced for a cream cheese, or could be paired with like an avocado toast. Like, it's just gonna add the perfect amount of richness, creaminess. So yeah, that is my thoughts on all of these cheeses, and I will see y'all in the next video.